The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for all or part of the New York City area. Strong winds, cold temperatures, low visibilities, and heavy snowfall are expected. During a blizzard warning, be prepared to potentially lose power. Charge cell phone batteries. Gather supplies. And turn refrigerators and freezers to a colder setting. Always stay clear of downed power lines. If you are affected by the outage, turn off all appliances. Avoid downed and hanging power lines. Keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed to prevent food spoilage. Do not use generators indoors. If you lose power and have a disability or access needs, or use life-sustaining equipment and need immediate assistance, call 911. For more information, visit www.weather.gov/NYC. For specific location and timing information, as well as safety tips, please visit NYC.gov/notify NYC or call 311. For video relay service, call 212-639-9675 or TTY 212-504-4115.